Want to light up your world without burning a hole in your wallet?
Today I'm gonna show you how to build a super cheap WS2812B LED controller using a tiny but mighty the ATtiny85. No Arduino is just an overkill, so we'll be using this tiny cheap microcontroller to program our WS2812B. Basically, these are the things that you would need. This is our ATtiny85. This is the ATtiny85 programmer, and for that we also need our Arduino Uno. And here I have a power supply module, breadboard module, which I usually don't use, so I thought of just using it for converting the 12-volt adapter that I will be using to get the 5-volt output from it. We will be using a perf board to solder all these components into it, and of course we need our NeoPixel. To upload the code, I used an Arduino Uno as ISP programmer and used my custom ATtiny programming shield. If you are new to these, I've got the links in the description walking you through it. I encountered a stupid mistake which made me search the web a lot. I initially thought maybe the button cycler code wouldn't run on the ATtiny85, maybe because of the limitation of its code memory. The real culprit was setting the clock speed of the ATtiny85. I did put up the 8 MHz internal clock and more, but forgot to burn the bootloader to correct settings. For the LED controls, I used the Adafruit NeoPixel library with the button cycler example code. I just made minimal changes in the code to get my preferred colors. That's it. So here I have set up it on a breadboard so that I can just test it before actually soldering it to this perf board. So it's always better if you add the pins with NeoPixel library itself. The connections are pretty simple. We have a push button connected to one of the GPIO pins and also the data pin of the WS2812B going into the ATtiny85. Then we have power coming from the breadboard power supply, which I connected using the adapter. Also remember to give the ground and VCC of the LED strip.